project working model where you can see all the circuit connections have made, and the inductive sensor is used to detect the metal objects. When the plastic is brought near this inductive sensor, it will not detect as it is a non-metallic waste, and when the metallic object is brought near the inductive sensor, it will be detected. The light is present whenever the metallic object is detected. And we have two ultrasonic sensor for level detection. For a certain level, it will shows the bin is full. And this is the output of the code for a sensor interfacing. So it shows the bin partition is not full and the metal object is detected, and it shows the certain level of the bin. Next, this is the program code for the sensor, both the inductive sensor and ultrasonic sensor. uh, you can see the connections have been made through this to the respective Arduino pins. The picture shows the conveyor system that has been developed. Here the belt is the moving object which carries the waste material for a segregation process. It consists of two pulleys on either side that is powered to move the belt in a circular motion. Here the DC motor that has been used to drive the conveyor belt. The DC motor is powered, which converts the electrical energy into a mechanical energy. A DC motor takes this electrical power from a battery and converts this energy into a mechanical rotation so that it will drive the conveyor belt in a circular motion. An interfacing of the sensor and push mechanism should be implemented in the conveyor belt, and this module is still under the progress. It's not yet fully developed. And this picture shows the visualization of a project outline. Here there are the parts that has been marked in this picture, which are all the components that has been used in a project. Here the waste is to be segregated as a metal and non-metal type. The outer bin consists of a particulate matter that removes the particulate matter present in the waste. This process is done before it enters the conveyor. In the entry, the waste is introduced in the inlet, which is at the side of the segregator. The ultrasonic sensor that has been present in the entry level is used to detect the presence of the user, and the inlet is inclined to an angle which ensures the sliding of the waste, and this is followed by the conveyor belt which further carries the waste for a segregation. DC motor is used to drive this conveyor belt so that the waste can be moved through the conveyor belt to drop into appropriate bin. Two bins are placed below the conveyor. One is for a metallic waste segregation and another is for a non-metal waste separation. And in two bin we have an ultrasonic sensor for a level detection. After the waste reaches a certain distance, it will indicate the user to dispose the waste soon. According to the type of waste detected, the waste will drop into the appropriate bin using a push mechanism. Here we use a push mechanism, that is a pusher used to move the waste accordingly to the responding bin. And the particulate scrubber technology that is used is a fabric filter bags. In this technology, the particles are passed through a series of filter bags made of a fabric material that holds the fine particles. This captured fine particles has been removed by shaking the bags or pulsing the bag. And this is the overall process in our system that happens for a segregation of a metal and non-metal, which is used commonly in industries, and it will be useful